Alright, this is the prototype. I never got to build a larger prototype, but the idea was these come apart and you can add, like you can build it as modules. So the first one will be like so, and then you add another that increases the airflow, and then another. Using the same structure, you just add more of these Venturi, whatever direction, I don't know, whatever you call it. Simple. And then the generator will be on the bottom. Yeah, I never got into it. Life was too busy for me. Anyway, just to show you.